Good morning to all. This is Steve from Assistant Professor from SNS Pharmacy. And today we discuss about the topic of significance and disorder of urea cycles. Okay. First of all, what is meant by urea cycles? Okay. Urea cycle means you all know what urea cycle means that it's a biochemical reactions by which a highly toxic ammonia are converted into urea. Okay. It's a simple definitions. Okay. By the reactions. Here is the definition. So here is the definition. The urea cycle is a biochemical reaction by which a highly toxic ammonia are converted into urea and finally excreted out from the body. Okay, body from the urine. Body throughout the urines. Okay, and the urea cycle is a first eliminated pathway. Okay, the urea cycle is a first eliminated pathway and first absorbed into the blood streams. Okay, it's a firstly, for example, so the urea cycle is entered into the body and absorbed into the first entered into the blood and next step goes into the kidney. Okay, finally excreted throughout the body. Okay, this is a simple structure and excreted throughout the urine. This is a simple word. Okay, in the term of urea cycles, based on the study, in the term of urea cycles is classified and mentioned to other names like mentioned to other names like Krebs-Henschel cycle. Okay. That is known as Krebs-Henschel cycle or otherwise known as ornithine cycles. Okay, this is the other name for urea cycles. Okay, based on the study of ammonia, based on the study of highly toxic ammonia, it's you all know ammonia is based on the study of ammonia. It's a study where it's present means it's present in the soil. So the ammonia is present in the soil. Highly toxic ammonia like ammonium silate and ammonium permanganate. Okay, highly toxic ammonia. It's highly toxic ammonia compounds like ammonium permanganate and what I told ammonium permanganate and ammonium cyanide. Okay, this is a highly toxic ammonia. So highly toxic ammonia compounds. Okay, next going to the topic significance. Okay, next we are going to the topic like significance. Okay, I already told the urea cycle is a first eliminated pathway. Okay, it's a first eliminated pathway. Where it's eliminated means it's eliminated from the metabolic pathway from the liver. Okay, it's the liver region. Okay, the urea cycle is the first eliminated metabolic pathway from the liver region only. Okay, it's the first line. Next, the study of urea cycles. Okay, the study of urea cycle. I already told in this study, the concept of the urea cycle study means the highly toxic ammonia are converted into urea. That means NH4. Okay, that's a non-toxic urea. Okay. Like it's a non-toxic urea compounds. Okay, I am already told you toxic compounds of ammonia means ammonium permanganate and ammonium cyanide. This is a toxic ammonia compounds are converted into non-toxic. Okay, non-toxic that means urea. Okay, but where by the metabolic pathway of by the reaction of urea cycles. It's the pathway can mainly active in the amino acid metabolism. Okay, amino acid metabolism. The amino acid metabolism it's active in the liver region, and finally and moves further into the toxic compounds. Okay, toxic compound, and finally converted into non-toxic. That means urea. Okay, this is a simple word. So this is a simple definition. Okay, and next we got it's remove CO2 and NH3. Okay, it's remove carbon dioxide and NH3 compound. Okay, this is a highly toxic ammonia compound. Okay, in the concept of the next is about the study of urea cycles. It regulates and recycles TCA. It regulates and recycles. Okay, based on the study of urea cycles, it regulates and recycles the concept of TCA cycles. That means tricarboxylic acid. That means tricarboxylic acid. The tricarboxylic acid are otherwise known as Krebs cycle or otherwise known as citric acid cycles. That is the role of urea cycles where it regulates and recycles the concept of TCA cycles. Okay, and next concept like it's a regulate and recycles the concept of amino acid and ketosis. Okay, it's a regulate and recycle the concept of ketosis and amino acids. Okay, and finally the urea productions take place in the liver. Okay, based on the concept of the urea cycles, it's a mainly concept in the metabolic pathway of liver and excreted throughout the kidney and finally from the excreted throughout from the body with the help of urine. Okay, this is the concept. In the study of based on the study of urea cycle, it's a mainly act on the cell regions like cytoplasm and mitochondrial pathway. Okay, next disorder like next we are going to take about the disorder. From the topic of urea cycles, the main function of urea cycle is to remove the toxic ammonia from the blood. The main concept of the urea cycle is to remove the toxic ammonia from the blood and the disorder like next we will see about the disorder like hyperammonia and ammonia toxicity. Hyperammonia means it's enter into the blood. The ammonia will enter into the blood and cause some types of disorder like hyperammonia. Okay, this is a simple definition. Okay, it is an inherited disorder of urea cycles. Okay, otherwise known as inherited disorder of urea cycles. And acute what are the acute disorders like from the hyperammonia, like liver disease and renal disease. Okay, this is the acute disorder. So next, ammonia toxicity. Ammonia toxicity means to increase the ammonia level from the blood. Okay, this is a simple definition of the ammonia toxicity. Okay, and finally to decrease the ATP productions, and to decrease alpha ketoglutarate from the brain. This is a simple word definition for the ammonia toxicity. Okay, that's all about the study of significance and disorder of urea cycles. Okay, thank you.